wiki.easyvid.com. Search EasyVid Wiki before you decide. EasyVid presents the 10 best 5-year-old boy gifts. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the wolvol Bump and Go light train is made with high-speed wheels and vivid flashing LED lights to capture and keep a kid's attention. It's even designed so that when it bumps into something, it'll automatically turn and continue on another path. It's ideal for nighttime use, however it is uncomfortably loud and it doesn't work well on carpet. At number 9, Junior can explore the world in painstaking detail with the Adventure Kids Outdoor Exploration Kit. It includes binoculars, a magnifying glass, a compass and a flashlight, so he'll be well suited for any expedition he feels compelled to undertake. It comes with a backpack for storage and encourages scientific inquiry, but all the items are made of thin plastic. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Hasbro Pie Face game provides kids with one of the most basic pleasures in life, splattering a pie in someone's face. Whether you're playing with friends or family, get ready for hilarious fun and a huge mess, so skip it if you're a neat freak. It's suspenseful and intense and teaches the concept of risk-reward. However, it gets boring after a few rounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for 5-year-old boy gifts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, my first flybar lets little boys use up all their excess energy in a safe and healthy way. It features a built-in squeaker that creates sound with every jump and makes it easy for your son to count his hops, which also motivates him to break his previous record. It comes with a soft and durable foam base and a super strong stretchy bungee cord, but the noise may annoy parents. Moving up our list to number 6. Keep tabs on the little lad with these Dilys Toys walkie-talkies. They purportedly boast a range of up to 3 miles, although that's a tad optimistic, so you can wander off without being unreachable. Of course, you can always turn yours off if you're craving peace and quiet. These are built with flashlights and offer 22 channels. However, it is difficult to replace the batteries. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Paw Patrol Zuma Marshal is an interactive toy capable of giving your child the joy of dog ownership without you having to deal with all that fur. It produces more than 150 phrases and sounds and rolls around the house on its own. It responds to hand gestures and features spring-loaded water cannon launchers along with more than 80 missions. At number 4, the FisherPrice Superhero Flight City is the perfect gift for kids who love caped crusaders. Your child can play as both Superman and Batman as they zip around a structure that includes projectile launchers, landing pads, and even a flight tower. It's got a working elevator and 3 playing levels. It makes fun noises and lights up. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, ThinkFun Zingo Bingo is as enjoyable to play as it is to say, so much so that your child won't even realize he's learning. It teaches pre-reading skills as participants attempt to match picture tiles to their cards, building their vocabulary in the process. It allows up to 7 players and the tile dispenser is fun to use. It's good for speech therapy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for 5-year-old boy gifts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you can teach your son about the timber industry with the Lego City Forest Tractor, as it lets you toss lumber around using the claw grabber. Of course, if you're worried about the message it sends, it will provide a good setup for a talk on environmental responsibility. It includes a lumberjack figurine and a chainsaw for cutting the logs. It doesn't require any parental help. And coming in at number 1 on our list, Gears introduces children to the world of construction and movement with bright colors and easy-to-assemble pieces that can be used to create complex objects. It helps encourage their creativity as they build bases, rows, pyramids, zigzags, and more. It includes an activities guide and helps boost fine motor skills. It rewards thinking outside the box. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for 5-year-old boy gifts, or simply click beneath this video.